Hey everybody, Mead here. Today I just have a really quick tip, which is basically relax your hand. If you're holding a pencil, if you're holding a pen, if you're holding a marker, or even a giant paint pen, this is a call to just relax. It's going to improve your line quality. It's going to make everything about drawing better, and it's going to hurt less. Because let's face it, holding tension in your hand over a 2 or 3 hour drawing session hurts. Over a lifetime of drawing, it's going to hurt a lot.
I mean, check this out. Look at how much tension that is in the hand compared to how it is when it's relaxed. You want to do what you can to just get rid of that tension. Even doing simple things like drawing straight lines, arcs, and S curves when you're tense kind of leads to a disaster. And when you can relax, you can see more flow come out of it. And when you use that, you get lighter lines, and that's such a good place to start. So let's sketch something like a little cartoony face just out of my head, just doodle something um, with and without tension. So with tension, you'll see I'm starting the way everybody would kind of start, and I usually start. The end result may not be hugely different, but let's just see what happens. So we'll tick mark out all these little placeholder like landmarks that everybody kind of uses, and I like to use just little tick marks for the mouth, nose, and so on. And we can get in some cheekbones and some detail. But what you'll notice is that the sort of final line can't go much darker than this. We're getting at about like 75-80% of what this can do. So when you relax and sketch something like this out, you'll just see that the lines are much, much softer and you can build more. What you want to do when you have a relaxed hand is just leave room for yourself. From here, you can make adjustments and so on. You can make changes, you can add details, and you don't even have to erase. Um, we're going to do a video on this digitally too, and we'll see how bad it is to have tension when you work digitally. Um, and yeah, of course, there's times when you get tension, even in this relaxed way. But what you're trying to do is really check in all the time and practice this. So you'll see that the results up to this point are conceptually the same in that they're using similar methodologies to lay out where all this stuff goes, but the look is different. Here we have something on the left that we can't really do much to, but on the right we can get a lot darker than that over time. And when we do basic stuff like simple forms and cylinders, um, when we relax, again, we have this soft line that we can adjust and we can make changes. And a lot of the times, lines are smoother and more elegant when you take out that tension. Um, when you have that tension, lines tend to be short and choppy, and it's harder to draw these full length, long lines that you may need to draw whatever it is that you want to draw with any kind of like elegance and flow to it. Um, plus this really hurts. Like doing this demo actually, even though it only took a few minutes, was really painful. And one thing you'll notice that the big takeaway is this gets too dark too fast when you have too much tension. And when you have relaxation, it's light, you're loose, and you have this room to expand your drawing and to just keep layering and layering and layering, which is what you want. It's ideal part of your process to be able to make adjustments and to work over this.
If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I've got some more courses and some more lessons coming out, lots of tutorials coming up in the next several months.